Marriage is about two people. You come together and you take those vows. No one helps you to do that. So at the end of the day, you clearly know the person you're getting involved with. You know what you're getting yourself into. And I feel like from the day you take those vows, you're accountable to the other person, you know, and you are supposed to be that person's keeper, vice versa. You're supposed to protect each other, even in times you feel like you don't want to. That's what I think. And I feel like whenever you feel like, okay, now I've really tried it and it has failed, marriage is not a lifetime prison. No. If you're not getting the happiness you deserve, and I'm talking about also having your life at stake, you get out. So when it gets really toxic, you can as well get out, keep quiet, and move on with your life. People go through pain. People go through so much hell. But I feel like some things that are better left untalked about. You move on. If God has blessed you enough to move on, you actually move on. You move on without talking about it. When you front being upset, keeping anger in your heart, honestly, it's going to damage you. And it's likely to damage your kids too. So, what I really think is that in marriage, some things are meant to remain untalked about. Privacy is key, despite, what you've gone through. People go through thick and thin. People go through a lot. But some things are better left untalked about. And if you have a chance to walk out of it without anger, if you are to step out and you feel like you can't do it anymore, do it without, killing the image of the other person, because you're the mother, the other person is the father, you have kids together. Think about the kids. If you're to start afresh, it's important you do without destroying the other person's image, because at the end of the day, we all reap what we sow. Sometimes we need to control our mouth. I really think so. Let's ask and pray to God to be more involved, to fix us, to fix, the broken hearts, to fix everything that is wrong without, looking like a shame out there. Yeah.